Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Patti Over 60. Today I want to talk about reinventing yourself. Is it too late to reinvent yourself at this age? Let's talk about it. All right, my tea is perfect. So anyway, I wanted to talk today about reinventing yourself. Is it too late to reinvent yourself at this point in time in our lives? Well, let's talk about that. What might be some of the reasons that you want to reinvent yourself? There are some questions and some statements that a lot of people make at this point in time. They might say, or you might say, is this it? As the song says, is that all there is? Have you ever thought about that? I know I have. You might be saying, I am tired of being out of shape, or I'm tired of working for someone else. I want to be my own boss. Or maybe you're tired of the upkeep of coloring your hair every 3 to 4 weeks. Maybe you're just tired of your personal style. Now, these are some of the things that people like myself and maybe like you have asked yourself, or statements that you've said to yourself. So what I want to say right now is it is never too late to change. It's not too late to change careers. It's not too late to go back to school. It's not too late to start a hobby. Now, when I first started exploring this subject, I did find a great website called 60andme.com. I believe there are also some YouTube videos as well. Shout out to this channel. It is great. And I really highly recommend it. It has a lot of information for those of us that are in this chapter of our lives. And it's a really great place. So anyway, I went there and they had a quiz. Now the quiz did help you to explore some of the reasons why you might feel like changing and how you can go about that. So first of all, I want to recommend that you go to that channel, 60andme.com, and take that quiz. I think you're going to find out a lot of good things about yourself. Now, so let's say you took the quiz. Maybe you're going to start a journal as you do this, which I think is a great idea as well. One of the things I want to talk about getting started is to take baby steps. Small things that you might be able to do, small steps that may make great changes. Say, for example, you want to start stretching in the mornings or taking daily walks for your health. These are great small steps. You can also start changing some of your eating habits, reduce your sugar, reduce your salt, eating more vegetables and fruits. These are great little small steps that you can make towards a healthier lifestyle, and you might really enjoy some of those activities. So also you can declutter your closet, your dressers. Go in there, clean out all those old granny panties that you've been hanging on to since 2010. Get rid of those. Clean out your closet. I'm really heading myself to a minimalistic wardrobe, and that's something that I am going to explore with you in another video as well. But clean out those things that you no longer need, that you no longer wear, and that's a really good start as far as personal items and things like that. Now, you can also change your priorities. To me, this is a good one. I decided that weekends are for family, for friends, for myself. I'm not going to do anything strenuous or housework, things like this. I'm not doing them on the weekends. I'm going to do this during the week. The weekend is going to be for relaxing and for enjoying myself. So have your priorities and schedule them to where they will work out better for you. Also, finances. Maybe this is an area that you want to revamp. First of all, you've got to sit down and be honest with yourself about your financial situation and what you want to change about it. Maybe you want a new job. Maybe you want to be your own boss. Maybe you're tired of working for someone else and you want to be the boss. I like that one. And maybe you want to retire. Maybe you want to retire and be your own boss. That's a good one as well. I do want to, though, point out some things about reinventing yourself. You have to be realistic. I am not going to be a Victoria's Secret model by Christmas time. In fact, I'm never going to be a Victoria's Secret model, let's face it. Anyway, don't be afraid. Fear can stop you. Fear can put the brakes on anything that you want to do. Fear has done that to me so many times. Let's take this channel, for example. Fear kept me from doing it for a while. Fear continues to be a little bug in my ear because I'm always afraid, what if your family doesn't like you doing it? What if your friends make fun of you? What if nobody watches your channel? What if you're going to be a failure? Maybe you just shouldn't do it at all. Be careful, because fear will tell you things like that. Fear will tell you there's no way you can ever retire. There's no way you're going to be able to walk around that block, not with your hip problems. Find a way to put fear on hold. Change can be good. Find someone to support you, whether it is a spouse, a friend, a family member, someone you work with, someone from your church. Find somebody that will support you, and you never know, they may actually take this journey with you and become a partner in these changes. So that is very important. Pre-plan before you jump into the deep end. You don't want sink or swim. You want to be prepared so that when you dive in to the water, you know exactly what's going to happen and how you are going to stay afloat. And the other thing is, you need to accept that, as with any changes, there is going to be anxiety and stress. You can't help it. It's going to be there. So ask yourself, who are you now and who do you want to be? Where are you now and where do you want to be? Are you ready to make a change? Are you ready to take charge of this time of your life? Sometimes the smallest changes can make the greatest impact. And I hope that you will follow along with me. I plan on exploring some of the details and some of the categories of reinventing yourself. I want to do videos on personal style and having a minimalistic personal style, which is what I have now. We're going to talk about healthy lifestyle changes. I've recently gone to a meatless, plant-based diet. And so that's something that you can do. I'm also watching my sugar, but I've got to tell you, on Saturdays, I still need sugar. So Saturday is my sugar day. I'm also struggling with the retirement, I want to be my own boss kind of situation. I would like to talk to you about my struggles and what's going on for me in the goal of being my own boss and how that is going. So, a lot of information that I am going to be looking into and that I would like to share with you on this channel, Patti over 60. So I hope that you will leave me any comments, any questions, any suggestions down below. I will read them. I will answer them. I hope you will give me a thumbs up on this video. Be sure and share it. And of course, subscribe. So anyway, that is it for now. I am going to go finish my tea, and I'll talk to you guys later.